Welcome. If you want to find and manage sound settings in your HUAWEI P20 Pro, you have to open the settings. Right now go for the sound and vibration. And at the first, we are able to adjust media, ringtone, alarms and calls volume levels. By moving these dots, we can enable and disable silent mode. The same with the vibration in that mode. We can change volume button control function from the media to ringtone. We can activate and customize the Do Not Disturb mode. Below we can change phone ringtone for both SIM cards. We can pick sound default from our phone or our own. You can decide. You can also activate vibrations. The same you can make with notification sound. Right here you can find Dolby Atmos. So we got few modes like Smart, Movie, Music, and also you can find here the equalizer. In this place you can also find Dolby Atmos. I mean the more sound settings, sorry, that's my bad. Where we can activate Stereo Plus, keypad tones, and other sounds and touches, vibration, startup sound, and also the cell broadcast settings. You can activate or deactivate most of this option by tapping on this blue switchers. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.